In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a calculated column in Microsoft Lists. If you found yourself needing to clean up your lists, or maybe just made a column by mistake, understanding how to remove it can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail to make sure you can follow along easily and get it done smoothly. First, you'll want to start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Microsoft Lists. If you're new to this, Microsoft Lists is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, designed to help you manage all kinds of lists efficiently. Once you're on the Microsoft Lists page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a sign-in button there. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically signed in. If that's not the case, don't worry. Just enter your email address, followed by your password, and you'll be set to go. Now that you're signed in, it's time to locate the specific list you want to modify. Open the Microsoft list that contains the calculated column you wish to remove. Here, it's important to ensure you're in the correct list, especially if you manage multiple lists, to avoid deleting the wrong data. The next thing you'll see is a list of columns. Find the name of the column you want to delete. Beside that name, there should be a small down arrow. Clicking on this arrow will present you with several options. What you're looking for is column settings. This is where you can make adjustments to your columns, including deleting them. Following this, you'll want to click on Edit. This action will redirect you to the Edit Column page for your calculated column. Here, you'll see more detailed settings pertaining to your column. Now, one crucial detail to remember is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. So, don't miss that. Once you've reached the bottom, look for the field labeled Add New Item. This could be a bit counterintuitive at first because you're aiming to delete, but just bear with me. Click on this field, and you should see a Delete button appear. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll be presented with a confirmation dialog box. This step is vital because once you confirm, the calculated column, along with all its data, will be permanently deleted. So, if you're sure, go ahead and click OK to confirm the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the calculated column from your Microsoft list. It's always a good habit to double-check your list afterward to ensure everything looks just as you intended. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your Microsoft lists more effectively. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out more of our content for similar tips and tricks.